Oh my god. I'll be right back.
Where'd you put on?
My mom bought this many candles.
Just by weather.
I look like a whole toe right now. Woo. I'm gonna go edit.
Where?
And then I have a whole project to work on that I haven't even started. Alright, so I have an analysis paper that I need to finish. I have an annotated bibliography, which is just it's really easy to do. So this is honestly a really easy thing, so I'm gonna finish the analysis and the annotated bibliography, and tomorrow just take everything that I learned and do it on a presentation. My mom let me borrow $10 so I could get premium for Spotify again, because like TikTok and like my friends and stuff were saying like, oh, this is my rap of Spotify, and I can't do that, and I wanted to see who I listen to a lot, and so I have to take the time to go to my Amazon Music and my Spotify to like mix it up and start my songs and stuff again. So I need to download the app. Okay, on this one because my laptop is broken because I spilled water on it. So when we get paid, I have to get another keyboard because the keyboard doesn't work. Like which I'm really grateful for is that the computer isn't broken. It's just the keyboard that only certain keys work because I got water on it. So yeah, this is my Spotify. So if you want to go follow my Spotify, it's always in my description, but I'm actually going to use it so it'll come in handy for y'all who want to see what I listen to on the daily, because I don't make that many videos about it anymore. But yeah, this is my username. If you don't go in the link, it's Erica Baku and it's a picture of people.
Well, thanks. I just put it over here.
Because I miss wearing Vans, so I'm gonna wear Vans for a good minute next week because those Air Forces, I walk stupid. I made a lot of progress on my presentation, so really easy this time around. Last time I did it, oh lord, I was crying. Pretty.
There's a trash can back there, but it's not on the recording. I don't know. There's a restroom bowl. I really have this more.
Who said this is how decorated I feel our house is.
Ya me voy a bañar otra vez. Hay un sushi porque es domingo.
So we're just trying to decide where we want to eat, and we're looking up food at Red Robin and Olive Garden. Two bros chilling in a hot tub, 5 feet apart because they're not gay. Good morning. Today is a wonderful day. Horrible day. Yeah. It's nice weather. That's the only reason why it's a good day today. So we might be going to Olive Garden, so that's interesting. Or we are going, I just don't know what time. So I already changed and I didn't do the transition, which I'm kind of sad about, but I'm not going to change again just so I can do it. So I'm going to do it with my makeup, even though it's just my eyebrows and mascara. It's the fit. I don't know. I also just wanted to say, I'm a minor, I'm under 18, and so they keep shutting off my comments, and I keep having to turn them back on. I've had to turn them on like 6 times now because they keep turning off. So if you go on one of my videos and the comments are automatically off, just give me a minute, because honestly, it keeps happening and I can't stop it from happening. I have to keep updating it. I like this outfit more. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Your eyes are basically closed. Okay, So I'm getting zoodles primavera, zucchini noodles with, what did you say, father? Basil cream sauce. And I'm gonna get it with sauteed shrimp instead of grilled chicken. And Puma's getting lasagna. And yeah. Oh, I just hit my tongue. Oh, I felt like Jim. I accidentally pressed the button, so I turned red and she went. That's hilarious. My ex is a what?
Huh?
Where did they get a picture?
Oh! It's 3 and 3. Hip hop. Oh.
Like my hands are all wet now.
We're playing on my dad's phone. Go. Hurry.
I don't want them to steal my notebook.
On your classical right there. I'm gonna set it down, baby. It's really hot.
So this is mine. It's little.
Can I do this one?
It's zucchini. I already told you. And then that's Puma's.
Let me put some salt. That's like salt.
Why do you have that? Oh. That's some good water. I like it here.
Does it taste like
Yeah, it is good.
water?
Yeah.
It is. But that's how you get big muscles.
She wanted to take a
What? No, I
video. Don't be like that.
That too embarrassing.
Put that.
Huh? Will
I asked this question
again. Hi, I just got home. I changed already. Sonia changed already. Celine, of course, didn't because she never changes. She's disgusting. I'm so full. I haven't eaten that much in so long. And I didn't even finish my thingy. My kitchen's kind of a mess right now. But I'm gonna clean it in a little bit. I'm just really full right now. Don't recall.
All of North America.
All of North America.
Working one who does things his own way, or the malleable simpleton who can be bought from a few fashion magazines.
This is the second time that you sent me the wrong side. I mean, I know what a 4 should feel like. I've been a 4 my whole life.
It's in his teeth.
Alright? Think nothing.
You good?
Did his teeth fall out?
Playing like tug of war right now.
Well, you can
Oh yeah, I did that last night. It's like his tooth came off.
Yeah.
I was scared right now.
Because that one's mine and that one's Pax's. So you get
Cool. Why is it on the ground?
so you get to have it. Have yours.
He's strong. Oh my god, he hurt my arm.
No, he's really fast too.
I'm wrapping Puma's present really quick. We're just gonna put it at this cute angle. It's going so smoothly.
Oh, you know what we need? We need Christmas stickers.
For names?
Yeah. I love this idea.
Puma, this was beautifully wrapped by moi. I have very sensitive hands if you don't know. Like, I literally, no, I was talking to the camera. Like, can't even take a shower for a super long time, let alone baths, because, oh my god, this literally gets Sharpie off, dude. Oh wait, no it doesn't. It was the like, foam covering it.
Yeah.
It's kind of if you want really good really good shoe cleaner, this is Jason Mark with 2 Ks, premium shoe cleaner. Pretty sure my mom got it on Amazon, so pretty sure though, I'm not sure. Look at that. It looked like this one over here. I just did one. My hand is cramping, so I'm gonna take a break really quick.
Talking to someone at daycare. She's telling me all about her amazing trip to Vietnam. I have nothing. I tell her our prayers catch on by what to do.
Just relax. Just relax.
I could tell Joe. Or I could tell Nicole.
This is a very good idea.
Why are you cleaning the bottom? You're not supposed to clean the bottom of it.
I'm gonna drink some and I'm not doing that.
Oh well, I can't think of it. I'm working on my annotated bibliography, and then tomorrow I'll just finish my presentation. So it's like I'm doing 2 of the parts today. I just bought merch, and I'm afraid that I'm not going to have money for Christmas. The merch was only $20, but it was a shirt. And I have to buy my friends gifts because I love them. It's Kayla and Riley, and I really want to buy them gifts, but I'm afraid I'm not gonna have enough money. I should make that cart right now, actually. See how much it is. Okay, so for my friend's stuff, it's $40. My friend's stuff is $40. How cute. I just... I'm afraid I'm not gonna have that money. Always wash your hands before you wash your face, because then it's like you got all this nasty... You know what I mean? So, wash your hands before you wash your face all the time. Every night, if you have carology, do not miss a night, or at least try. I've missed only 2 nights in the past month. If I vlog later tonight, cool. If not, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Just do it, you wuss. I can't. I'm poking her in the nose. Ooh, baby, baby, ooh. You either die or...
You kill yourself or get killed.
Oh!
Here's you, Mr. Danny Cordray. He is going to be joining us as our new travel